flatness and broad, horizontal expansiveness of the Dutch landscape is punctuated by a lone sailboat. A gentle breeze blows to the right, agitating the rushes, and filling the sail of the boat. The vista opens to the right where a small peninsula of land, a house, and sensitively rendered architectural forms appear on the horizon. To the left, a mass of bulrushes balances the composition. In this area, Rembrandt Harmensz Van Rijn modeled the reeds using wash. To simulate nuances of sunlight and shadow, he left portions of the paper blank. The pen strokes are varied, changing from rapid, thin touches to broader strokes that emphasize the marshy area and sailboat.
"15 Things You Didn't Know About Rembrandt." Welcome to alux.com, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Welcome, Aluxers, to the world of luxury and the world of the elite. In our videos, we love to share with you everything that is fine and fabulous. This means we shine our spotlight on the expensive, the opulent, the beautiful, and the magnificent. This includes the people that own and make things we covet and lust after. And that brings us to the world of art. The world's most famous paintings command prices in the hundreds of millions of dollars. And the work of